Hi, it's Natalie here with a personal but very important question. Are you single and looking for love? Well, if you are, then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to share with you 10 affirmations that will help you manifest your ideal partner. Having clarity of mind is vital to this process, so you're always prepared for whenever the universe decides to match you with a potential soulmate. So use these affirmations to swing the odds in your favor. All right, so first affirmation is, I am a vibrational match to attract my perfect partner. I am a vibrational match to attract my perfect partner. Now, how do you become a vibrational match? Well, our vibration that we send out into the universe is our emotions. So for us to be an emotional match or vibrational match to what we're looking for, we need to be able to feel what it's like to already be in this relationship. So visualizing every single day is going to help you to do that. See yourself in different scenarios with your perfect match and feel what it's like to be in their presence and to be doing things together and just to be hanging out with each other. Okay, so make sure that you do that on a regular basis, at least twice a day, so that you can become that vibrational match to your perfect partner. Next affirmation is, I easily recognize my perfect match by the qualities they have. I easily recognize my perfect match by the qualities they have. Now, this is a great one because it means that you know the qualities that you're looking for. When you're very clear about what qualities you want to have in your perfect match, who they are, how they show up, their personality traits, how they make you feel. When you're very clear about what those things are, and going back to what I said before, you're visualizing and feeling what it's like to be with this person. When the universe throws them in your path, you're going to recognize them straight away. Okay, so this is a great one for being able to get clear and then to be able to see your perfect match as they show up. Next affirmation is, my perfect match is searching for me and can't wait to meet me. My perfect match is searching for me and can't wait to meet me. Now, I love this affirmation because it means that when someone shows up that has maybe the qualities that you're looking for, but they're not available, you understand that they're not your person. Your perfect match is ready to meet you. Your perfect match is looking for you right now. So when your paths cross, not only will you recognize them, but they will recognize you too. All right, next affirmation is, I am everything my perfect match is looking for. I am everything my perfect match is looking for. Now, this means that your perfect match has also thought about the qualities they're looking for in their partner. So when you're clear about the type of person and the qualities you want in your perfect match, just think about, well, what is the person they are going to be attracted to? Because that's who you want to show up as. Okay, so make sure that you're showing up authentic to you, but also for what your perfect match will be looking for. So number 5 is, I feel comfortable being myself when I'm with my perfect match. I feel comfortable being myself when I'm with my perfect match. When we go into a relationship, and there's always a little bit of toing and froing in the beginning, but when we change so much to be with a particular person who we believe is our perfect match, then after a while it becomes difficult for us to maintain the facade of someone that we're not. Whoever we find in our perfect match, it means that we can show up being ourselves, as quirky and as funny and as weird or as crazy as that is. Our perfect match is going to love every single inch of that. And we don't have to be anyone else. We don't have to hold ourselves back. We don't have to try and be someone else. We can just be ourselves. That's when you know you're with your perfect match. Now, before I forget, I've added a link below, including a free download and lots more love affirmations and a free quiz that you need to try. So click on that when you get a chance. Okay, so number 6 is, I know I'll meet my perfect match exactly where and when I'm supposed to. I know I'll meet my perfect match exactly where and when I'm supposed to. Now, the reason I love this affirmation is because it actually embodies one of the most important steps when it comes to manifesting and creating what we want in our life, and that is surrender. Surrender to knowing that the universe or that God has a plan, everything's happening exactly the way it's supposed to in divine timing, that your partner is on your way to you and will show up exactly when they're supposed to. Now, when you can relax into that and surrender into that, any kind of desperation or any kind of impatience or any kind of frustration that you might have that they're not here yet completely dissipates. Because you know you're loved. You know that love is on the way and the love is going to show up. And so when you can surrender and really embody that and really live from that place, they'll be showing up in no time. Number 7 is my perfect match is attracted to me. Now, when you have to work really hard to get someone to like you or to get their attention, or in the beginning you're the one that's doing all the phone calling and you're the one that's doing all the chasing, then maybe that's not your perfect match. When your perfect match is attracted to you, when someone's attracted to someone, it's pretty obvious they're attracted. They're reaching out. They're making effort to make plans. They're expressing how they feel. They're starting to communicate. It's really clear that they are attracted to you. So don't waste your time on someone who isn't attracted to you, who you are not a perfect match for. Plenty of fish in the sea, plenty of people out there for us to be able to find that. So don't waste your time on something that's not right for you. So number 8 is my perfect match is at just the right time in their lives to meet me. My perfect match is at just the right time in their lives to meet me. This means that when you meet your perfect match, and this has happened before, you meet someone who's the perfect match for you, but it's just the wrong timing. And sometimes these people get together later in life, but you want someone who's available for you now. They're at just the right time in their lives to meet you. They're available, they're willing, they want to step up, and they want to be in this relationship. So make sure that you're really holding out for that. And number 9 is I approach potential perfect matches with full confidence. So I approach potential perfect matches with full confidence. What this means is that when you meet someone who you think is a perfect match, you're completely confident around them. You're completely yourself. Because when you find your perfect match and you are yourself and you're authentic and you're genuine, they're going to be drawn to you like a moth to a flame. And this is how you know they're your perfect match. Another reason why you know they're your perfect match. Because they're actually attracted to who you really are. And you can do that with confidence. You don't have to pretend to be anybody else. You can just show up as yourself. And number 10 is I'm open to allowing my perfect match to find me. Now, this means that, we can be very proactive. We can be on dating sites. We'll be going out to bars. We can be meeting people and trying to force things and make things to happen. But when you say, I am open to allowing my perfect match to find me, it means that when you are out there and someone comes up and starts a conversation with you, that you're open to having the conversation. That you're not shutting people down. That you're approachable when you're out and about. To give your perfect match the ability to be able to connect with you. Now, you don't know where they're going to show up. You don't know what they're going to look like. We don't know any of these things. But if we're always open, then it makes it easier for them to make that connection. So now that I've gone through your 10 affirmations, let me just describe how you should be using these affirmations. So for best results, I recommend that you recite your affirmations daily, or at least a few times a week. Now, your affirmations can be recited at any time of the day, but it's better to set a specific time for them and to stick to it. That way you're going to make sure you make a routine and a habit of it, and it makes it easier for you to stick to it. Like in the morning or after you wake up or in the evening before you go to bed. Now, using an affirmation is easy. You can just look in the mirror, take a deep breath, and say it out loud. Now, when you say these affirmations, you want to feel the joy and emotion and the love as you're saying them. Now, you can look at yourself in the eye when you say these, and don't be shy. Make sure that you smile. Now, you can choose just a handful of affirmations that you like the most to recite daily, or you can recite all of them within a specific category. The other thing you can do is just read through these affirmations and then close your eyes and go into a visualization. Use these as the springboard for your mind to put you in your mind already in this relationship, already in this scene, and feeling what it's like to already be there so that you are now a vibrational match to the perfect match for you. All right, now before I go, I'd love to hear from you. So comment below if you have any other love tips or ideas or affirmations that could really help our community. And don't forget to subscribe to the Mind Movers YouTube channel for more videos on personal growth and the law of attraction. Again, my name is Natalie Ledwell. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.